because you still need a little bit on top. And then hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with
Angelina,
and we're gonna make mangoñadas because that's my favorite in the whole entire world. Yeah. Anywho, so today you will need 6 items, which are pretty easy items.
I'll be back in a bit.
Okay, bye.
No, I'm not leaving this video. I'm just gonna be back.
Okay, let me say it again. So basically, you'll need 6 materials. Basically, you will need 6 cooking items, materials, whatever you want to call it. And I'll show you right now. So first, you're gonna need any type of mangoes. We're using diced frozen mangoes because they're easier to use.
And then
we're gonna need azúcar. And then we're gonna need tajín and limones. I'm gonna try to juggle. Oh. And you're gonna need a cup for your water, cold water.
Last but not least.
And last but not least, but the best of them all, is chamoy. Okay.
You're gonna get married with that.
I really am. Hot Cheetos with chamoy.
I showed you that.
Girl, you didn't show me that.
Yeah, I did. What?
Anywho, so first things first is that you're gonna put los mangos. Vas a agarrar los mangos and you're gonna put them in a blender.
What am I supposed to do?
So first things first is you're gonna need to get your blender and los mangos, and you're basically gonna put them inside here. Oh, look at this big chunk that's gonna fall in there. And then you're gonna cut your lemons. Grab the lemons and squeeze them in. Everything in the blender, you're gonna have to blend it. I got a little thirsty.
You're weird.
So you have it all in here. Don't forget the lid because a homegirl ain't trying to get exploded on. So get a cup. Usually it's made with clear cups so you can see that chamoy, but we don't got clear cups today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray the lemon inside like this, like around the sides. Don't do all of it because you still need a little bit on top. You're gonna grab some chamoy and tajín. First I'm gonna do some tajín around the lemon, like so it can like go all over like this. And then the same with the chamoy, you're just gonna go around. Aesthetic, like these. Hopefully this doesn't pour on me. And if you want it more frozen, obviously you're gonna put it in the freezer, but we're not doing that. So you're gonna put it in here. It's already gonna fall. It's gonna fall. So basically you want to get a spoon and just pour it in. Like this. And since it's iced in, you're just gonna put it in there. And then you're gonna get a spoon like this. You're gonna try it. Try it. And that's how you make a mangoñada.
Success. Delicious. That's
Actually
gross when you do that.
Make a bomb mangoñada made by me and my camera girl Angelina. Here.
Can you get it?
I hate him with the passion, man.
It's Gucci.
Okay, so that's how you make a mangoñada. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. For reals this time, I'm gonna come out with that makeup and chisme video. So keep watching my videos for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that post notification bell so you can be notified in all my videos. Alright guys, bye!